Welcome to the channel of Guided Soul. Stop for a moment and see this journey. What have you done on this earth? And what have you left behind? In the silence of eternity.
When the trumpet is blown and mankind rises from their graves, the earth will tremble and the sky will shatter. That is the day when hell will be brought forth, dragged by 70,000 chains, each chain held by 70,000 angels. Its roar will shake the heavens, its breath will darken the skies. Imagine a fire so fierce that the mountains melt before it, a blaze that devours stone as if it were paper. Inside hell, the scenes are beyond human comprehension. Rivers not of water, but of boiling molten copper. Shadows not of comfort but of black smoke that chokes and blinds. The screams of its dwellers echo endlessly, begging for a single drop of water. But what they receive is scalding pus and burning tears. The angels of punishment, stern and merciless, ask them, did a warner not come to you? And silence is their only answer, drowned in cries. This is not a story, but a promise. A day when hell will not just be a word, but a reality brought before the eyes of all creation. When the disbelievers will say, "Oh, would that we were dust."